Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to open WhatsApp in PC without QR code. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to web.whatsapp.com, and from here, as you can see right away, you should have an option here, the QR. So if you don't want to open the WhatsApp using QR, you can just simply go ahead and click on over here, link with phone number. And after that, just simply provide your number over here and make sure you have the right country and click on next. And after that, guys, you will have this code into your phone. So just simply go ahead and go to your phone. So guys, when you go to your phone, as you can see, just simply go to the notification bar over here, and you should have an option here, enter code to link new device. And from here, just simply tap on confirm. And now from here, just simply provide the code that is on the PC, and from there, you should be able to log in into your WhatsApp. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.